Alright, just got something in from the mail. Let's see what we got. Is this what I think it is? Yes! Okay, sweet, guys. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm doing something a little different today. I got something in the mail that I wanted to show you. Kind of has a story behind it. So let's go ahead and open it up and I'll talk about it in just a second. Yeah. Sweet. Okay. All right. No way. Wow. Okay, guys, you're gonna be excited about this one. All right. So I will show you this in a second because first I want to say that this canvas here, it's a canvas if you didn't know, is a famous photo, one of my favorite photos I've ever taken, and it was taken at on the Big Bend trip that I went on a couple months ago in March, and I'll go ahead and show it to you. So right here, I decided to put it on a canvas because it is my favorite photo from the trip, and there's actually a pretty cool story behind it and where this was shot. So let's talk about it. So I believe it was day 2 of our trip in Big Bend, and I think we were headed to the ghost town area to explore that, and on the way there we went down this hill on this road and we were like, okay, let's get a picture of it. So I get out of my car. I was with my aunt and uncle actually, so I got out of their car and I grabbed my camera to take a photo, and as I'm starting to get my camera out, get the settings right and take photos, I'm snapping photos, and in the distance there's this car that's about, or this vehicle that's about like right here probably in the photo, I'm guessing, is where it was. And I wasn't really paying attention to what the vehicle was. And I'm just keep snapping these photos, and then I started to look at the vehicle and I'm like, that's a van. And as it got closer, I realized it was a Volkswagen, green Volkswagen van. And I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get a picture of this. So my aunt and uncle, my aunt especially, she was like, take a photo of it, you gotta get out and take this photo of it. So I'm out there and I was already out there, but I grabbed the camera again and instantly just start taking boom, 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 and ended up getting this perfect photo. It's not perfect, but this awesome photo of this Volkswagen coming on this amazing, really cool road. And right over here, there's this sign that says Big Bend National Park, 40 miles. I believe it's 40 miles to get to the park, so it's a little ways away. But this was one of the favorite moments of the trip, and I wanted to get a canvas, a print of it, and hang it in my room. So definitely one of the cool stories from that trip. There's so many stories that I wasn't able to tell in the videos that I filmed, and this is another one of them that I was able to share with you. So thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to Colt Ryan Films. We got a lot of awesome content coming out in the future, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time.